Have you ever wondered how millions of people manage to work efficiently from the comfort of their homes or cafes across the globe? In recent years, the world has witnessed an unprecedented surge in remote work. From bustling cities to serene countryside retreats, professionals everywhere are embracing the flexibility that comes with working away from a traditional office environment. This shift was significantly accelerated by global events that reshaped our approach to work and collaboration. At the core of this transformation are remote access services, or RAS. These technologies serve as the backbone, enabling the trend of remote work by allowing users to connect to and interact with resources on a network as if they were physically present. Whether it's accessing files, participating in meetings, or managing systems, RAS ensures that all you need is a stable internet connection to get your office at your fingertips. Indeed, remote access services are not just convenient, they are transformative. Let's dive deeper into what exactly remote access services encompass. Remote access services, or RAS, are a suite of technologies and protocols that act as a bridge, connecting users to network resources from anywhere in the world. This connectivity is crucial for remote work, allowing individuals to interact with systems and data as if they were physically present in the office. At the heart of RAS are two primary components: virtual private networks, or VPNs, and remote desktop services known as RDS. VPNs create a secure tunnel between a user's device and the corporate network. This tunnel is encrypted, ensuring that data transmitted remains private and secure from potential cyber threats. Various VPN protocols like PPTT, L2TP/IPsec, and OpenVPN cater to different security needs and device compatibility, enhancing flexibility and accessibility. On the other hand, remote desktop services offer a different flavor of connectivity. RDS allows users to access a remote desktop or server that hosts all the applications and data they need. This is achieved using the Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, which provides a graphical interface to users, replicating the experience of using a local machine. Features like screen sharing, audio and printer redirection enrich this remote interaction, making it more efficient. Together, these components not only facilitate but also secure remote work, ensuring that geographical barriers do not hinder productivity or compromise security. With this understanding, we can now explore the major protocols that make remote access possible. First on our list is the widely used Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP. Developed by Microsoft in the mid-90s, RDP was created to allow users to connect to another computer over a network connection. Imagine sitting at your desk in London and accessing a desktop in Tokyo, all in real time. That's the magic of RDP. This protocol primarily works by transmitting the graphical interface of the remote desktop to the user, while also sending mouse and keyboard inputs from the user back to the remote desktop. This back and forth allows for a seamless user experience that mimics sitting directly in front of the remote machine. One of the standout features of RDP is screen sharing. This enables a user to view and interact with the desktop of a remote computer as if it were their own. Whether it's opening applications, editing documents, or even watching videos, RDP's screen sharing makes it possible. Moreover, file transfer capabilities are integrated into the protocol, allowing users to easily move files between the local and remote computers. This is particularly useful for updating software or retrieving work files when out of the office. But what about security? This is where RDP shines. Microsoft has equipped RDP with robust encryption standards. From the moment a user initiates a connection, all data transmitted between the local machine and the remote desktop is encrypted. This includes everything from keystrokes to file transfers, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and protected from potential intercepts. Furthermore, to enhance security, RDP also supports network-level authentication, or NLA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring the connecting user to authenticate themselves before a full RDP session is established, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access. RDP not only provides remote access but does so with robust security and rich features. Now let's shift our focus to virtual network computing, commonly known as VNC. Imagine being able to sit at your desk in London and operate a computer sitting in a Tokyo office as if you were right there. That's the magic of VNC. It's not just any remote access tool, it's an open source protocol that champions flexibility and ease of use across various platforms. VNC allows users to see and interact with the desktop of a remote computer over a network connection. This means you can use your PC, tablet, or even smartphone to control another computer located anywhere in the world. Whether you're managing a team of remote employees, providing IT support, or simply accessing your work computer from home, VNC provides the tools you need. One of the shining features of VNC is its support for multiple operating systems. Whether the remote computer is running Windows, macOS, Linux, or any other OS, VNC bridges the gap, allowing seamless interaction. This cross-platform support ensures that VNC can be a universal solution for diverse IT environments. Besides just viewing and controlling a remote desktop, VNC also facilitates file transfers between the local and remote computers. This feature is incredibly useful for transferring documents, installing software, or even performing backups without needing physical access to the remote machine. Security is another cornerstone of VNC's functionality. With robust built-in encryption, VNC ensures that all data transmitted between the local and remote machine is secure from eavesdropping. This encryption protects your valuable data and personal information from potential cyber threats, making VNC a reliable choice for sensitive or critical operations. Moreover, the simplicity of setting up and using VNC is a significant advantage. It doesn't require extensive technical know-how, making it accessible for users who may not be IT experts but still need remote access capabilities. In conclusion, VNC stands out for its platform versatility and straightforward functionality. Whether it's for personal use or managing enterprise IT environments, VNC offers a powerful, secure, and adaptable solution for remote desktop access. Lastly, we explore Secure Shell or SSH, known for its paramount security. SSH stands as a beacon of security in the digital world, especially when it comes to remote access. Originating in the mid-90s, this protocol was designed to replace older, less secure methods of remote administration like Telnet. Unlike its predecessors, SSH encrypts all data transmitted between the client and the server, ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and secure from eavesdropping. The primary purpose of SSH is to provide a secure method for logging into another computer over a network, executing commands in a remote machine, and moving files from one machine to another. It facilitates a range of operations from managing networks to administering databases, all through a command line interface. This makes it a favored tool among system administrators and IT professionals. One of the most significant features of SSH is its robust security capabilities. It uses public key cryptography to authenticate the remote computer and allow the remote machine to authenticate the user, if necessary. This method is far more secure than the traditional username and password combination, which can be intercepted by malicious actors. Furthermore, SSH provides more security for remote connections by automatically encrypting the data before it is sent over the network, making it virtually impossible for hackers to decrypt it. SSH isn't just about secure connections, it's also about versatility. It supports various authentication methods, including password-based login, public key authentication, and Kerberos-based authentication. This flexibility ensures that SSH can be configured according to the specific security requirements of the network environment. Moreover, SSH is highly resistant to DNS spoofing, IP source routing, and other network-level attacks. This is because it assigns each session a unique identifier that is used to validate all the data packets transmitted during the session, ensuring that they come from the expected source and have not been tampered with. In conclusion, SSH is indispensable for those requiring secure command line-based access to remote systems. Its ability to encrypt data and authenticate users securely makes it a critical tool in the arsenal of technologies used to manage remote systems safely and efficiently. Having explored these key protocols, let's recap why remote access services are crucial in today's digital landscape. Remote access services, encompassing technologies like Remote Desktop Protocol, virtual network computing, and Secure Shell, form the backbone of modern remote work and digital interactions. Each protocol we've discussed plays a vital role in how we connect, operate, and secure our online environments. Starting with the Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, developed by Microsoft, it's clear that the ability to control a remote desktop or server with such ease and flexibility has revolutionized the way many organizations operate. RDP's features, such as screen sharing and file transfer, bring the office environment right to your fingertips regardless of your physical location. Virtual Network Computing, or VNC, extends this capability across different platforms, offering a robust solution for those requiring a graphical interface when accessing remote machines. Its open-source nature allows for customization and integration into a variety of network setups, enhancing its utility and adaptability. Secure Shell, or SSH, adds a critical layer of security, ensuring that data transmitted over unsecured networks is encrypted and protected from potential threats. This is indispensable for maintaining the integrity and confidentiality of sensitive information in corporate or personal use. These protocols collectively enable flexible, secure remote working environments, which are essential for business continuity and global collaboration. In a world where the dynamics of work are continually evolving, the ability to maintain productivity and security from anywhere is more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. As we continue to embrace remote work, the role of remote access services only grows more pivotal. Stay connected securely and efficiently, no matter where you are in the world.